Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to find the settings icon. So let's tap on it. Then let's tap on languages at the top. And here we've got the list of languages which are currently applied to the keyboard. I've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard to change it. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages. So this list is really long and wide. And if you wish, you can simply scroll and try to find your language. But you can also simply tap on Search Language and enter the name of the language. I'll pick Urdu one. And after finding, just tap on it. Now we can choose the keyboard layout, and the amount of them depends on the specific language. Sometimes you can have only 1 or 2, and sometimes even up to 7 different keyboard layouts. So all you have to do is to simply mark the layout which you'd like to use and then tap on Done. And as you can see, our language has been immediately applied to the list. And before I'll show you how to remove the language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. Here we've got the hint. Basically, we've got a new icon which is called globe icon or language key, thanks to which we can change the keyboard, right? So right now we've got this English layout, and after tapping on the globe icon we can switch to the Urdu one. Moreover, the space bar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So if you'd like to remove the language, simply go to the settings again, tap on the languages, and here we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Mark the language which you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only 1 language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.